Hello everyone, welcome to the Svanoe English Vocabulary School. Today is Monday, December 23rd, show number 598. Here are the two words we'll learn today. The first is a person that's older than a teenager, and the second one we use in grammar. It means in the past. Please listen and write this in your notebook. They are adults. They are adults. Adults. People that are 20 years old or older. Are you an adult? Now let's make a card for adult and remember it forever. Please write adult up here in the top left corner. A-D-U-L-T. Down here in this corner, the Svanoe code. P-E-O 1A3. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 1 out of 78. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Here it is. Adult. Adult. Now let's learn word number 2 for today. Please listen and write this in your notebook. How long ago did you play tennis? How long ago did you play tennis? Ago. A-G-O. It is a grammar word. It means in the past, before. Now let's make a flashcard for ago and remember it forever. Please write ago up here in the top left corner, A-G-O. Down here in the bottom left corner, the category, GW1. This means grammar words, level 1. Over here in this corner, the number 6 out of 135. Up in this corner, please write the IPA. I will show you the IPA now. Here it is. Ago. Ago. Class is over. It's time to go. Today we learned Jennifer is an adult. Very nice. And how long ago did you play tennis? And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. The first one is a thing, like a pen, but we also use it in grammar. It's a thing. Number 2 is the opposite of upper. It is very nice. And the last one is a little thing made of plastic that we use when we go to the ATM to get some cash. See you later, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And if you are new, welcome to our vocabulary school. We learn 2 words every day, and we write them on paper flashcards and remember them forever. This is a complete 2-year course. We learn 2 words every day. Here's our schedule for December. Then we take a break and we begin again January 1st. Every month is the same, 25 classes. You only need a notebook, a pen, and flashcards. That's it. No textbook, no PDF download, nothing. We have a rotating schedule designed for the internet, so you can join anytime, study for 2 years, and then you graduate. Please write your language on the other side of the card. What language do you speak at home? Oh, I know that one. It's easy. You can meet a partner to practice English, and you can talk about the words that you learn. Please learn these. My name is Vinny from Canada. See you tomorrow.